ma'am.
And no need to worry about the marks which you are going to get. Okay, it is only a way to find out that what type of MCQ questions will come in your exams, because if the things will be okay, then you will be having a proper half yearly examination where 50% marks will be based on MCQ. Okay, so that we are going to do today. So be ready with your pen and paper. You all are ready and happy also, because Monday onwards, I think 7th of August, the school will get reopened, or you will get the schedule. You will be notified. So be ready, my dear children. Sit with your pen and paper. So you all can see now questions appearing on your screen. Is it visible, my dear children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
start solving quickly, and please do not take help of your books. Okay, I'm not going to judge you on the basis of this. 10 questions quickly. You will get only 5 minutes for 10 questions. Okay, and your time starts now. Oh, sorry.
Ma'am, please scroll to question 3.
Question number 3. One minute. I'm trying to adjust the screen. Some problem is there today. Net is very slow. OMG, who was that? A scary sneezing.
Ma'am, questions 1 show कीजिए.
Manvendra,
Yes, ma'am.
using devices.
No, ma'am. हम कह रहे थे कि कोई मैम मजाक कर रहा है.
Who is doing this? चलो एक दिन और है. Okay. Quickly.
Ma'am, please show question 10.
Now I have muted you all, so no one can sneeze. 1 minute, I'm showing question number 10. Okay. Yes, I will teach you. I'm your subject teacher. Om Kumar, I'm only going to teach you English. Or you want another teacher? Hmm? Okay, Ayush, no. Shreya, another teacher. 9I. How she has entered into my class? 9 roll, 9H. Oh, thank you, Om Kumar. Best teacher. There is no definition of best. Okay, Zara, thank you. Thank you, Barbie. Perfect. Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, Shivangi. Oh. Question number 13. Don't waste time, children. Okay, Ravi. Is there any Ravi in my class? 9. Yeah, there is no Ravi in our class. Who is he? I have to remove this boy. Ravi, who I'm not able to, I'm just removing you from the class because I don't know you. Okay, okay, 1 minute. Question number 13, once again. Yeah, they are entering the class with, sorry. Sorry, मैंने click कर दिया. Oh, I'm actually, hurry up, children. Oh, Baba Re. Deepak, 9H. Who is this boy? Why 9H children, they have come to our class? Shreya, no beta, I won't be able to. You can send me message. I'm now scared because they are in a mood to disturb the class. उन्हें लग रहा है online class is coming to its end. Let's do something. Deepak, I'm not able to find out who are you? Oh, sorry. सारा आंसर से दिखाती जा रही हूँ. Okay, fine. Last question. Only 20 questions. because we have to move to other chapter. Yeah, Homo sapien, I'm going to remove you from class. Don't worry. I know how to treat you people. एक मिनट, मुझे एक होमो सेपियन को क्लास से हटाने दो, तो ब्लॉक करने दो. Don't worry, Prakhar. Okay, now let's discuss the question number 16, Soumya. So I have removed Shreya and other students who were actually creating nuisance in the class. No need to worry. Yeah, I will not ask you to rename. Enable, actually they entered with the fake name. Doesn't matter. Chalo, let's discuss the answers. Come on, let's not waste time. And check your answers. Be honest. Okay, अब मैं unmute कर देती हूँ. Still अब मैं देखूंगी कि who will sneeze in the class. जो sneeze करेगा उसको school से remove कर दिया जाएगा. Okay, so now you can unmute yourself. And the box is also on that I may be able to see who is sneezing. जिसका भी mic on होगा, reflect करेगा. Now tell me the first answer. The pin cushion gift was made of beautiful piece of
yellow silk. Option D.
Yellow silk. Option D, yellow silk.
Okay,
Option
okay,
D,
very
yellow
good,
silk.
very good, very
Option D,
good, very
yellow
good.
silk.
When Kezia father arrived in the room with a ruler, she was under the
Option D, under the
Option D,
bed.
under the bedclothes.
under the bed
Option
clothes.
D.
Very
Option D,
good,
under
very
the
good,
bed
very
clothes.
good, very good. What did the grandmother give to Kezia when she was sobbing?
Option
Option
A,
A,
a clean
hanky.
hanky.
Option A, clean
Okay,
hanky.
very good, very
Option
good.
A.
In the end, Kezia felt that.
Option B,
Option B,
Option B,
her father had a big heart.
Okay, okay.
Option D, her father had a
big heart. अब हटाना ही पड़ेगा इस प्रखर को.
मैम
Yeah,
मैम
yes.
हम नहीं है मैम, दो प्रखर है.
हाँ तो तुम एक सेकेंड मुझे 1 minute. Let me do one thing.
मैम वो रिलीव हो गया.
लीव हो गया.
मैम मीटिंग लॉक कर दी.
मैम आप
Meeting
वेटिंग लॉक कर दीजिए.
कर दिया लॉक मैंने. Enable. You are disabled. Disabled, enable, हाँ, sorry. Enabled कर दिया. Okay, now it says, okay, he will not be here. No need to worry, अब tension नहीं है. Kezia, okay, now let's move to next question. The butcher. अरे, he is still there. अब ये कौन है?
I think home.
Om. Okay, मैं म्यूट ही कर दे रही हूँ. Answers देख लो.
नो मैम हम नहीं है मैम, सुमित है.
सुमित, देखो everything is being recorded और मैं प्रिंसिपल सर के पास भेज दूंगी ये रिकॉर्डिंग. सुमित is not in my class. Leave it. म्यूट कर दिया मैंने सबको. अब no need to speak the answer, only see the answers. Okay. Okay. So the butcher in Kezia's nightmare had a dreadful smile, like a dreadful sneeze. Kezia's father could not play because he was too tired after work. Pick करते जाना. Whenever Kezia father came back from office, Kezia was held up with fear. Kezia snuggled her head under the father's arm. Kezia's father took his child in his arms. What nightmare did Kezia have? We all know, a butcher with a knife and rope. Kezia was scared of what? Having nightmares. Her mother, why was Kezia left at home alone with her cook? Her mother and grandmother went to hospital. The father who lived next door of Kezia would play and laugh. Kezia saw these children playing tag. Why did Kezia tear the papers? We all know, to fill the pincushion. What would Kezia find her mother doing on Sunday afternoons in the drawing room? Reading. Why did grandmother send Kezia to her father? To make her comfortable with her father, to make her understand her father better, to help her have a nice talk. So all. See, these type of options will also come. What did Kezia think of her father when he used to yawn? That she compared him to giant. How did the little girl feel when her father looked at her from the speckles? We all know, terrified. So now let's move to the okay, Shivangi 2020, very good, very good. Many of you, yes, 20 Om, very good. I'm happy. I'm genuinely happy. Okay. We have done 10 exercises, my dear children. So once again, I'm going to give you some 10 exercises. Be ready. You have options. Now quickly complete the work. Very good, very good. Good marks. Today, different type of children, they are coming to the class. Take a bite and toward the waiting room. But I'm not going to admit him now. I have become small. I know children wanted to take advantage of this situation because these online classes will be no more fun for them. And offline classes, no outsider will be allowed to enter our school premises. So bye-bye, take a bite. Make a bite and take a bite. Are you solving? Please raise your hands if you are solving answers. Very good, Shivangi. Thank you. Thank you, other children also. I'm actually waiting anxiously to meet you all. And 30, question number 30 is the last question. Done? Okay, so now we will discuss the answers. So check your answers. I'm going to tell you the answer. I'm not in a mood to unmute you. First, option B, I had been working all afternoon and have just finished the assignment. Rohan had watched the movie before he read the review. Option C. He has been living in the States, but he still does not have a command over the English language. By the next month, we shall have completed the project. Every boy and girl is present in the class today. Is present in the class today. Each and every takes the singular verb. He has been exercising daily for a year now. I had been reading this book since morning. I has been reading this book since morning. Both correct. Which tense is used to express general truths and facts? We all know. Present indefinite tense, which is also known as simple present tense. According to the prevailing rate, 2 dozen cost ₹100. The council has made its decision. Has made its decision. What do tenses as the form of a verb help to determine? Both A and B, the time of action also and the state of action. Which tense is used to show the completion of an action by a certain time in the future? But yes, completion of an action, future perfect continuous tense. Identify the tense used in the following sentence. When I reached the bookstore, all the copies had already been sold. Past perfect tense. The wise leader and politician has been assassinated. Why? Because wise leader and politician, these two things are referred for one person. Okay, agar yahan the wise leader and the politician hota, then it would have been. Okay. Neither of the paintings. Oh, the correct answer is written here, but that's wrong. Neither of the paintings was sold. Singular. Sita or her brothers are to be blamed. Why? Kyunki her brothers, the closest subject determine the number of verbs. The chief guest with his wife has left. The quality of products have been degrading over time. The news is not updated timely. News is singular. They got into their cars and drove away. They shall have future perfect. They shall have arrived by then. Option A. We are going to reach the destination as scheduled. Going to reach. Future perfect continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Was ready. Each of the 4 army soldiers was ready for the mission. Now here, see. The chief and the eyewitness, 2 people, so have escaped. Back in my native place, I did not have a smartphone. Choose the correct sentence. When I woke up, he has already eaten. When I woke up, he had already eaten. Yes, option B. When I woke up, he had already eaten breakfast. I have been taking the medicine as prescribed by the doctor for a week now. You and I have fulfilled the obligation. I didn't say her brother will walk her down the aisle. Aisle, you know, aisle is a passage. Her down her the aisle. This is this sentence. Future perfect. No. Present. Will walk. Future indefinite. Future perfect, I think, this sentence. Okay. Satvik, what happened? Why you are writing these things? Come to school, then we will have a chit chat. So, okay, children, tomorrow again we will discuss and we will do the same, because let's see, make use of this technology, and thereafter the school will reopen. So have a good day, good time.